Another video, and today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks and just some flow easy ways to be more progressive in your sessions and more managed. So the first trick I'm going to teach you is how to pull up your mixer. So your mixer is where you would add plugins, it's where you would adjust your volume, you can adjust your pan, buses, all of that jazz. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So all you want to do is press the letter X, and it just gives you your mixer folder. So as I said before, you can see all these on the side. This is everything you can do in your mixer. Just makes it easy if you want to color code them and stuff like that. You can do it and it's all here. You also do have it here, but I just think it's pretty neat. Now the next trick I'm going to show you is a join one. So I have made a video on this before. So say you have an audio file like this one, audio 15. And let's say you have two of them that aren't connected. So you recorded one audio and then you messed up and you wanted to record another one, but it's in the same track. All you have to do is highlight, Command J, create, and bam, it's all one file. Super easy. It makes your session look really neat. Now the next one I want to show you guys is how to record. So it's really simple. You select the track you want and you just click R. That's all you gotta do. Super easy on that one. The next one I got is the tools bar. Now the tools bar is probably the most important one. This is where you be fading, cutting your tracks, moving your tracks, all that stuff. So all you have to do is press T and it comes up. You just press it once and it comes up with all the tools that you can use. You have a primary and a secondary, and this one would be your pointer tool, just moving around. And then when you would press Command, say scissors, Command is when it would activate this one. So we'll go fade, I press Command, and now I can use it. So fade. Okay, let's change that one. Let's do this. There we go. Okay, cool. It just makes it really easy. The fade would work if I use it on a track like that. Now the next one I want to show you guys is how to move your playhead. So the playhead is this big white line basically, and this just allows you to adjust anywhere onto the track. So say if you wanted to start as soon as the track came in, you can. So for an example, you could do this. Don't follow your lead, all of my dreams be following me. I focus on course and learn how to speak. All of my haters ain't bothering me, mainly the people. This shit the same, life is the same, life is the same, life is a game. I'm praying to God, can't even sleep, anxiety got his is at his. Or how you can move the playhead. So how that would work in a real setting is you would just use the arrow keys. So this arrow key, select this one, use the arrow keys, and it would go through the audio files that you wanted. Alternatively, you could also press Shift, and then you can use the arrow keys like this, and it will select everything that you got. Just makes it easier if you want to select everything as a whole, or delete or edit, whatever you want to do. Now the next one we're going to get into is Command T, and Command T will basically split up a track. So for example, we'll look at this track number 12. So let's say you wanted to split up in between these items and you didn't know how to use the tools or just wanted it to be quicker. You can move your playhead and then you go Command T, and that breaks up the track into two. You could also grab both of the tracks, press T, select your fade tool, Command, and now you can fade both tracks together. And this will just make it really seamless and easy. So the next one I'm gonna go over is the waveform. So this is the audio waveform in the file, and you can expand it or decrease it by holding Command and using the plus, or holding Command and doing the minus. I like to keep it at the bottom just to see what my audio is, because it'd be quite hard to mix and everything's expanded like this and you think all of your audio is clipping, and it's, even if it doesn't sound like it's clipping, you'll visually see it and be like, oh my god, what happened? Like, all my audio is clipping, the session's ruined, but it's really not. Sometimes you just need to adjust by Command and using the plus or minus. Now the next one I like to use is these tools. So you have an up and down and you have a left to right. What I like to do is use Command and my arrow keys. Just makes it super easy. So you hold command and you can just do up and down on your arrows, and it just makes it seamless. Now a really cool one is importing your audio. So let's say I wanted to import a beat into here. I've got one here, but what I can do is Command I. And what this does is open up a tab to where I can chuck in songs that I want to. Anyway guys, that's enough of the tips and tricks videos. I hope you guys learned a little bit. And yeah, till next time. Thank you.